Welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate how to access and configure Custom UI on a Brother device. Customer User Interface, also known as Custom UI, is a software package that can be downloaded from brother.support.com and activated with the relevant licenses. Custom UI enables the touchscreen control panel to be personalised to suit requirements. Backgrounds and brandings can be added, icons can be added or removed, the ability to edit and create customised workflows that are unique, restrict access to functions dependent on job role. Custom UI is available on selected Brother multifunction printers and scanners. Benefits of Custom UI: add branding and logos, edit visual layouts, meet unique requirements, deploy a unified UI across multiple devices, create bespoke workflows, increase device security by limiting access to restricted features, deliver scalable customization, reduce staff training. Now we know what Custom UI is, let's look at how to use it with a Brother device. Once you have installed the Brother Custom UI tool, go to your search bar and type in Custom. Then select the application here or select here. Once you have opened your Custom UI tool, you will land on the home page. You can see Select by Model Name is highlighted. This shows a list of model numbers that you can select from. You can search for a specific model number by entering the model number into this search box. Now you will see the device listed below. Select your device here. Select Create. The other option is to select by connected machines. You have the option of selecting manually. Select that here. Then enter the IP address of the device into this field. Now your device will be listed. If an automatic search is required, select this option. You will now see a list of devices that are connected to the network. For this demonstration, I'm going to select from my searched model earlier in the video by selecting Create here. Once you have selected Create, a new window will open ready to start customizing your device's screen. I will now go over all the sections on the home page. At the top, you can see the button bar. This is where you will add and remove buttons to your screen below, and you can also change the background. On the left-hand side, you have a menu. This is where you change the home screen settings. At the top, you will see the number of tabs you have for each of your screen and the plus button to add any additional screens. When selecting Basic 2 tab at the top, you can see the difference in the screens below. Now select the plus button as shown here. Now you have an additional screen that you can customize. To rename the tabs, select the Pencil tab. To customize each screen, you need to select the Settings cog. You can now see that there is more options. This section is to add a custom background of your choice. This section is to change font colour and any button names. This section is to take away the visibility of these icons. With the visibility setting ticked, the user can see these icons. If the visibility settings are unselected, as shown here, the icons will not be visible on the LCD screen. The last tab is for information on your device. To add a new button to your screen, select the Add Button tab at the top of the screen. There will be a pop-up box presented on your screen. Select the icon for the additional button. The new button icon will now appear on the left of the screen. To reposition this button or icon, select here, then drag to reposition. Now the additional icon is in the new position on the LCD screen. To add a background, select the Background tab at the top of the screen. Then a pop-up box will appear on your screen. Select the image by double-clicking. If you have no images in your custom UI, select Add Images to add your pictures in. All your pictures will now be added to the custom UI for future selection. Once you have made all your changes and you are ready to upload to your device, select the Send tab at the top of the screen. Now you will see a pop-up box appear on your screen. Select the device. Once selected, you will see the final pop-up appear on your screen. Select OK. Your new custom screen will now be sent to your chosen device. You can also select Set Manually. Enter the IP address of your device into this field. Select Search. Then select Send to send the new custom screen to your device. Your device is now ready to use with your new custom screen. This completes the demonstration for custom UI. Thank you for watching.